you doing? My name is Eric Manchin. I'm here at IDF 2016, and I'm here with my friend Silvio from Helios Vision. So Silvio, I see it here with you. You've taken a RealSense camera and you connected it to a head-mounted display. What is it supposed to be doing?
Well, it's using the Intel RealSense RGB and depth stream to compute an image for people with limited vision or visual impairment, so that they can get a better sense of their surrounding environment.
That's really cool. So it's actually working live now, and this laptop is simulating the data that it has. So you can see, as I put my hand there, you can see as the hand gets closer, it gets brighter. And so, as I understand it, your vision here is, if you were to productize this, you would help people that are visually impaired to be able to be more mobile and not have to rely on other sources of guidance.
Yes, well, people with low vision usually have a lot of issues bumping into objects and moving around new environments. In this case, they'll be able to have an enhanced vision for up to 3-4 meters or 12 feet, in which they can understand their nearby objects, like stairs or chairs, tables, or whatnot. Also, they get something that they don't have at all, which is night vision. They have a really big problem seeing in the night, and with the RealSense, that problem is solved.
That's pretty impressive. Now, as I understand it, you do have visions for going forward, and because you're using an RGB camera in computers, I feel like you're going to be able to enhance this so that they get a feature that they've never had before if someone were to hand them, say, a book or something. Is that true?
Yeah, with the RGB camera, we can actually use it to recognize characters on regular, let's say, restaurant menus or books or magazines, and then have it read to them via our audio, which is bone conduction. So it doesn't really affect their normal hearing. It's augmented audio, to call it that way.
That'd be pretty cool. So what was your inspiration for coming up with this? What inspired you to create this amazing thing?
Well, I've been working in computer vision for, let's say, all my professional life, and I've always thought about ways of actually using my acquired skills to help out people around the world. And this is the best idea I've come up to, and this actually came to me after starting using Intel RealSense, when I realized that the capabilities of this technology are immense.
So one of the earlier things that we saw this week was Intel had announced a new platform, the Alloy. So when you look at the features of the Intel Alloy concept, the project, were you at all flattered by the fact that in a lot of ways you've already somewhat created a prototype of that before we ever announced it?
Well, I felt like Intel designed it for me.
That's wonderful.
Or for Helios in particular.
Right.
Because I think it's a great use case for it. And this will allow people everywhere, people with vision problems, just take that headgear, place it on their head, and be able to move more freely.
That would be pretty cool. So you may end up being one of the first big applications for that new platform.
Hoping so. Hoping so.
All right. So again, my name is Eric Manchin. I'm here with Silvio from Helios Vision. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.